Back in late September, this store looked completely different inside and out. Vandals broke into the store, stealing and destroying all of the products sold here. Writing racial slurs on the walls, floor, and doors, Chanel Wapner came to work to find that she was a victim of a hate crime. Fast forward to present day, and Wapner is only a few weeks away from reopening and is eager to get back to business.
This unfortunate incident doesn't define me, and it doesn't define this company, and it doesn't define this community. So I'm really excited about that. I'm empowered by that. Not excited, I'm empowered by it.
After her business and race were attacked, Wapner received an abundance of support both online and in person.
It was more that every person that came in was giving me support, whether it was hugs, whether it was money, whether it was flowers, whether it was cards, whether it was just prayer. That was empowering to me. That's how it's supposed to be, so that just made this incident start. The power of it began to weaken for me.
While Wapner initially declined a GoFundMe fundraising effort, Clovis City Councilman Bob Whalen set up one on behalf of her store, and the page has earned over $30,000. All of which was donated back into Old Town's organizations for its local businesses. Chanel donated all the GoFundMe money back into the community because she says keeping all of the stores in Old Town alive and thriving is important to her.
I'm showing them with their supporting me, they're helping me support us. And it's not just about me, it's about all the local businesses in Clovis, Old Town Clovis. That's important to me, and I just want to make sure that we all stay here. They've been here forever. I want to be one of those who've been here forevers.
As we get closer to the store's reopening, Wapner says there will also be a block party. She's excited to celebrate with everyone who's supported her throughout this. To stay in the loop with all the important dates and announcements about Wapner's reopen, check out FresnoStateFocus.com. Samantha Cortez with Fresno State Focus.